Welcome again to Motorcycle Enhancements. Today we're going to show you a little close-up of that 120 cubic inch motor that we posted the other day. We just, right, boom. Good looking twin cam, 120 cubic inches, crate motor. And let me just do the little bit of a walk around. The valves on these things are huge. If I can get in here and show you, that'd be awesome. You can see there. Let me see if I can get better lighting from the other port. Yeah, there you go. That's a nice view. So that's a huge intake valve. 120 ST Screaming Eagle. Chrome on it is beautiful. There's the number on it. It comes with the oil filter and the ports for the oil cooler. Exhaust. And you can see inside it's like well machined and nicely done. Exhaust gaskets are already in place. And then there's that huge valve. Let me see if I can focus in on that area. There you have it. And the finish, the wrinkle finish from Harley is awesome. The machining, bling bling. And the back end, we got, focus again. There we go. Just have it on a temporary stand. Motorcycle Enhancements. And there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, and if you don't mind sharing it, that would be great. Just gets the word around and shows everybody what we do. And we do Harley Davidsons. Hashtag best shop in Ontario. Hashtag Motorcycle Enhancements. Have a good one. See you in the next video.